Hello ladies, I'm Suchi and welcome to Pink April Diary. Whether you are a return subscriber or you're new here, I'm super grateful that you're here watching my video and really excited to share today's video, which is all about spring basic outfits. Now in this video, I will be styling 3 really common and basic spring outfit combinations or formulas or whatever you may want to call it. You definitely will be wearing this spring and how you can easily elevate them. So let's get started. Now, this first outfit is a jeans and a t-shirt outfit, which is one of the most common outfit formulas or outfit combination that most of us wear on a daily basis, and it feels very natural, especially coming out from the winter weather where you are constantly only wearing sweaters. So you'll naturally go for t-shirts, maybe white t-shirt, black t-shirt, or any other color t-shirt, but the combination is going to be a jeans and a t-shirt because you're still feeling a little cold, so you're still wearing jeans, but you want to wear t-shirts instead of sweaters. Now, how do we elevate this simple jeans and a t-shirt outfit? The first thing that we need to do is tuck in our t-shirt. This is really important, and it instantly creates a more put together touch to your entire outfit. Even if you do not try anything else from what I'm sharing today, if you do this one trick, it will instantly transform your jeans and a t-shirt outfit. Now I know some of you might feel a little uncomfortable doing a full tuck. Try doing just a front tuck or a side tuck depending on how you're comfortable. As you can see, the outfit is instantly transformed. It looks more put together without any effort at all. And you can literally elevate any color combination of jeans and t-shirt if you try this. When it comes to t-shirt, it's really simple and really casual, especially a crew neck t-shirt. It just feels very simple, but you can easily elevate that by adding a necklace. Like I'm wearing this really simple pendant necklace, which doesn't have a lot of layers, but you can totally go for a little bit more of a layered necklace, like layering 2 different styles or finding something where the layers are pre-attached, which will help you as well. Now this adds a little bit more of a definition and a detailing to the neckline of the t-shirts and makes it a little bit more elevated. If you're like me, who always tends to keep her hair loose and open, then probably earrings don't make as much sense for you. You would probably always go for a minimalistic earrings, but in that case you can elevate your outfit and your entire look by adding some rings. Rings are my favorite jewelry and I really play around with it, and you know, depending on the style of outfit that I'm wearing, I can go minimal with simple just 2 pieces of jewelry, or I can also add on more rings and create a much more bohemian and more luxurious style. So play with that. Add in rings. It doesn't have to be really fancy. Just a simple band ring or something that would do it, which is going to add a little bit more detail to your entire outfit, and it's actually going to make you look put together. There are 2 big reasons I always go for loafer mules, and I have literally started living in them because first, they are really comfortable. You can easily slide in. You don't need to, you know, try to squish your feet or sit down and try to wear them. You can literally slide your feet in them and are ready and heading out the door. So when you're in a hurry, they are perfect pair to add to your outfit. The second thing that I absolutely love is that because of hardware details and the stitching around, the way the loafer mules are made, they actually look much more elevated. They look luxurious because of all the hardware details, and they add that masculine touch. It's like a combination of feminine, chic, as well as masculinity, which adds a little bit more of a sophistication to your outfit. So I always recommend you should at least own 1 pair of loafer mules. This is the first way that I would add a 3rd layer to this outfit, especially because I'm wearing kind of lighter blue jeans. I added a monochromatic touch by wearing a blue coat. You don't have to go with that. You can actually wear other colors as well, and I'm going to show you in a bit as well. But this way you added an oversized style to your outfit and created an effortless chic look. If you don't like to wear coats or coats feel a little bit too much for you or not so comfortable in them, you can try a blazer or a shorter style coat that looks like a blazer. Now blazers are an essential, and I feel like even if you don't work, you still need a blazer. Blazers have become the new denim jacket, and you can see that every brand, if no matter what the budget is, they have a version of a blazer that you can absolutely add to your wardrobe, which is in your particular budget as well. So think about blazers as your new cardigans and your new denim jackets. They instantly elevate your outfit, and it doesn't have to be those structured blazers for work that most of us see everywhere. You will find so many different styles and so many different versions. This one is from Mango. It is more of a coat style blazer, but it is structured at the same time. Because it is super long, it creates that oversized style, creating more of an effortless chic vibe, especially for outfits that you're going to create for your daily life. This outfit combination is another really common combination that we tend to put together because we are so sick and tired of jeans or tights or woolen materials. We tend to pick a pleated skirt, which is really natural. And for some of you who go to work, this might be the natural spring essential for you, where you want to pick a black pleated skirt and a floral print top, which really creates that spring vibe. But let's style this outfit and see how we can easily elevate this look and create a much more sophisticated and chic outfit that is great for work or even for running errands. Now, because I'm wearing a printed blouse, it is really busy up top, so I decided not to go for something thicker. Like, my necklace is not that thick or not that busy. It is a really simple chain necklace with a really tiny pendant. More of a dainty jewelry will look great with this style of blouse where you have a lot of prints and a lot of colors going on, and you do not want to add more busyness with a lot of jewelry. So whenever it comes to prints, that's how I style my jewelry. I tend to keep them dainty and as simple as possible. And of course, without saying anything, I'm still wearing my watch and a little bit more of jewelry. You can add more rings if you like. This is where you can really experiment and try different style of rings that can elevate your entire look. I know that these are not really conventional footwear that you would naturally go for. It might feel like an overstretch or a lot of effort to wear them because they're lace up, but these can really elevate your simple outfit, especially where you're showing off a little bit of your ankle because of wearing a skirt. It creates that feminine and masculine kind of a fusion style, adding more sophistication to your look. Now, whether you are going to run errands or you're heading to office, in either cases, you can still wear these footwear. I have absolutely fallen in love with. You might find some style that you will also absolutely love. If you don't like heels, you can also go for flats. There are so many options. I've linked some in the description box below. Since my top was pink in color, I decided to match the color of the top with the blazer or the oversized kind of style of blazer and create a monochromatic look. This is an easy way to look more put together, and at the same time you do not have to make any effort. That is why I really advocate for monochromatic looks, because they're really easy to put together. Just use a basic color at the bottom or top, and the other color that you're adding, just create a monochromatic look around that other color. Sometimes you lose that structure and sophistication, especially when you're wearing skirts. So adding a structure piece as a third layer, like a blazer or even a coat, would look really great. I'm going to show the coat version in a bit, but let's look at this outfit first. I feel like I still look put together and sophisticated. If I want, I can pull up my sleeves and create a little bit more of a casual laid back touch. This outfit would really work perfectly for running errands, at the same time heading to office where you want to look a little bit put together. If you don't own a pair of white sneakers, I absolutely recommend. But when it comes to picking the perfect piece, I would always say find one which is completely plain and simple. There are no other colors added to it. It's just a simple white sneakers. And if you want a little bit more of an elevated version, try a leather sneakers because they look much more expensive, luxurious, and stylish as well. Now in this outfit, you can say this outfit looks a little bit more of a feminine, you know, girly preppy, but adding the sneakers kind of elevates and changes the style of this particular outfit to more of a casual style. Now instead of going for a shorter jacket like a leather jacket or denim jacket, which just will create a basic look, I added this really long coat which is almost as long as the skirt's length itself. It actually creates a little different personality to the outfit and elevates it at the same time. So this outfit still looks comfortable, put together, and it still is really casual, but I have added some structural element with the structure coat which adds sophistication to this outfit, but at the same time it looks interesting. This is another really common outfit combination, a striped t-shirt and blue jeans. This is also very French style inspired, where French women really love to wear striped, like a casual look with the striped t-shirt and blue jeans, and we all love to imbibe that as well. But it can also look really basic and, you know, not so interesting, and you might find your outfit looking boring. So let's see how we can style this look and create a much more interesting and elevated outfit. Already knew this, but I had to say you should tuck in your top. That is the easiest way to elevate your outfit. Even if your top is not completely or really long, you can still tuck that in. You can just slide them in here and just create that tuck-in look. It always looks a little bit more put together, and it seems like you've made an effort to put together your outfit instead of just throwing stuff in. Now, if you're looking for some ways you can easily tuck in your top on your jeans or your shorts, check out this video where I'm sharing some easy ways to do that. I'm keeping my watch and my rings the same. It really doesn't matter. You can add more, add less, depends on your style. But for my necklace, I actually picked out this chunky necklace with really chunky chain and a little bit of a pendant to kind of create that distraction from all the stripes that is there on the top. It kind of creates a chic feminine touch to this really casual t-shirt as well. Now I decided to wear slingbacks and add a little bit more of a color in there, but you don't have to necessarily wear a colored footwear. If you have a basic neutral color like black, white, or tan or brown color, you can also pick that. I wanted to add a little bit more color. That's just my style, but it really changes the look of this casual outfit. It adds a feminine touch and a dressed up version or a dressed up look to this entire outfit, and it dresses this entire casual outfit because the pumps are a little bit more of a dressier footwear itself. This blazer is actually adding a sophistication to my outfit, and the pumps are adding a feminine dressed up look to this outfit. Together they elevate this look and add sophistication, at the same time a feminine touch that we're looking for, especially when we wear something that is really casual and more of a unisex style. This is actually my favorite outfit combination and favorite way of adding a little bit more of a structure, color, vibrance, and personality to a super basic outfit combination like the striped t-shirt and the blue jeans. If you prefer completely closed footwear and flats, I would recommend going for loafers because, again, with the hardware detail and all the stitching, it really looks elevated piece of footwear, and it will elevate this particular casual outfit. I picked out these black loafers, but if you have any colored ones and you want to add that, or white pair, you can also do that. Just because this particular t-shirt has got black and white, you can actually pick either one of them depending on what you like. Trench coats are an essential for spring weather because they're light, so they are perfect layering piece for any of your outfit. Even though you're wearing sweaters, you can still layer a trench coat which is lightweight, and it's going to add a little bit more of a warmth to your outfit compared to a woolen coat which can make you feel really hot or warm. But at the same time, the trench coat has a lot of tailoring detail and hardware detail with buttons, and all of that. So it adds a more of a sophisticated touch and expensive touch to your outfit. Your outfit naturally looks way more expensive, even though the trench coat is not that expensive, and neither is your entire outfit. It will still look more elevated and luxurious. This is again a great way that I will be adding a little bit more of a color to my outfit. It doesn't have to be if you have a neutral shade or a tan color of trench coat. You can absolutely wear that with this particular outfit combination as well. I would love to know if these are the 3 outfits you absolutely wear in spring and also in summer, and if you have any other recommendation you want me to style in this channel. Leave a comment in the comment section below. And as always, if you liked this video, please don't forget to click the like button to let me know. And if you haven't subscribed already, click the subscribe button down below or somewhere here and join this family of amazing women who all want to still prioritize themselves even with a busy schedule. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!